Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make a smoothie bowl at home. To start, select your favorite frozen fruits like bananas, berries, or mango. These are key for achieving that perfect thick consistency. You'll also need a small amount of liquid, typically about 1/4 cup, such as almond milk or juice. A good blender is essential for a smooth, creamy texture. Now, let's blend. Place your frozen fruit and liquid into your blender. Start blending on a low setting, using a tamper to push the ingredients towards the blades. This technique helps create a very thick mixture without adding too much liquid. If your blender struggles, add just 1 tablespoon of liquid at a time until it blends smoothly. Once your base is blended, it's time for the fun part: toppings. Fresh fruit slices like kiwi, strawberries, or blueberries add vibrant color and extra nutrients. For a delightful crunch, sprinkle on some granola, chia seeds, or chopped nuts. A drizzle of honey, maple syrup, or a dollop of nut butter can also elevate the flavor profile beautifully. Carefully scoop your thick smoothie base into a shallow bowl. Now, artfully arrange your chosen toppings over the top. Think about contrasting colors and textures to make it visually appealing. Serve your smoothie bowl immediately to enjoy its optimal thick and cold texture. It's a delicious and healthy meal or snack you can easily customize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.